Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two hose splitters. So here I've got the one made by Hourleey and this is made by 2-Ways. Now I like the one by 2-Ways because these are a little bit easier to turn on and off with. This is all metal construction, but they're a little bit smaller. They still work really good. And let's turn it off. And I like this one can be a little tricky. This one can be a little harder, but they both have the same threads that you're going to screw a hose on down here at the bottom. But this one, you know, it's nice. It's got these knurled area here to screw it on and off with. But this one is a little bit easier because it's got these big kind of like knobs. And again, make sure both of them have a washer in there. Just takes a stand. This one comes with 3 and the other one comes with 2 extra hose washers. So again, I can put this on. I can get this all nice and tight. All right. Okay, now let's turn it on. And again, these are a little bit easier to turn on and off with because they're just a little bit bigger. These are a little bit smaller, but they both have a valve inside there. And again, I can just screw on a hose onto each side. Okay, so I hope this comparison video helps. I really do like this one made by 2-Ways. It's just got some easier to use features. So thanks for watching.